Hey guys, I'm Shamjaswal from CoderPedia, and in this video we are going to answer the most asked question that comes to the mind of every programmer, which is what are the highest paying jobs in the field of computer science? Computer science is one of the most lucrative field and career options nowadays. Most of us think that computer science is just for programmers and geeks. However, it is not completely true. Nowadays, computer science is not just about programming and algorithms, it is far more than that. As Edgar Dijkstra said, computer science is no more about computers than astronomy is about telescopes. However, there are several other beneficiary reasons for learning programming. Still, if you are interested in computer science but not in programming, you can still follow your passion. There are many other jobs in the computer science field which do not require you to learn programming, and we have added those jobs to our list as well. These career options can also be used for earning money online as well. Every career option has a different skill requirements, so you must choose your field of interest wisely. On our website thecoderpedia.com, we have posted the blog article for you on the same topic which you must take a look at. Just search highest paying computer science jobs by CoderPedia in Google and click on the first link to visit our website and read the complete article. Now let's take a look at the top 10 highest paying computer science jobs which you must learn to skyrocket your career. The first skill which is in our list is machine learning. If you are talking about the current most trending technology, then machine learning will be there for sure. As the word machine learning itself says much about it. It helps in making the machine able to learn from its past experiences. So, machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that gives a computer the ability to learn and modify its program according to the current situation with the help of past experience or data. Machine learning is known for its number of real-world applications. It has already captured the majority of the market. If you are a good programmer and have a basic knowledge of mathematics, then you can build your career in the field of machine learning. Now let's take a look at the second most demanding job, which is blockchain. Blockchain is an underestimated technology as most of us are not completely aware of it. On internet, whenever a transaction takes place between buyer and seller, there must be some third party which is responsible for handling the transaction. For example, if you buy anything from Amazon using your credit card or debit card, then the third party which manages the transaction will be your bank. It tracks all your previous records as well. In blockchain, thousands of computers are connected with each other, in which each and every computer has stored the data in encrypted form. Blockchain is fault tolerant as well. So if any of the computers stopped working in the network, then also the system will be unaffected by it. Blockchain is a very secure technology as it is exceedingly hard to hack. Hackers has to hack all the thousands of computers at once to hack into the network. The best real-world application of blockchain is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency that works using blockchain technology. Most of the companies are moving toward blockchain as it provides a number of advantages in comparison to the traditional technologies. With this, the demand of blockchain engineer also increase. So, if this is the technology that excites you, then you should definitely go for it. With this, we are in the third most demanding job on our list, which is of the cyber security engineer. There is a great need for cyber security expert in every company. However, most of us are still confused that whether we should choose cybersecurity as a career or not. To become a cybersecurity expert, you must be a jack of all the latest and trending technologies. You need not to be a master, but you should have a decent knowledge of the technology and how it actually works inside the hood. There is no particular syllabus or programming language which you need to learn to become a cybersecurity expert. As a cybersecurity engineer, you have to deal with a number of technologies and software to find a bug and loopholes in it. So you should have a basic knowledge of top programming languages or technologies. So if you love problem solving challenges, learning new technologies and finding loopholes in them, then you can definitely go for cybersecurity as a career option. Now the fourth most demanding computer science job is cloud engineer. Before getting into the job of cloud engineer, let's firstly understand what is cloud computing and how does it exactly work. Cloud computing is a technology in which your data gets stored in some other computer having many powerful components and computational capabilities. The physical location of that computer can be thousands miles away and it can be located in a different country as well. Most of us are using cloud computing in our day-to-day life. For example, if you are using Facebook, Instagram or YouTube, then you are using the cloud computing technology. All the photos which you have uploaded to your Facebook account, you can access them from anywhere and on any device, as the photos themselves are stored in the server or cloud computer. Nowadays, 80% of the applications are running on the cloud. Cloud computing engineer is the one who deals with each and every aspect of cloud computing. As every business or company is using cloud computing technology, so there is a huge demand of cloud computing engineer which is increasing day by day. Before talking about the fifth most highest paying computer science job, I would like to tell you that if you like the content of this channel and want a more resourceful video like this, then hit the subscribe button. Now let's get into the fifth most resourceful computer science skill, which is data science. Data scientist is a person who uses different operations, algorithms and different types of data structures on the data to solve problems related to businesses and increasing its growth. For example, Amazon is the company that uses your data or search history to recommend you the most relevant products. The same is the case with Facebook, Instagram, Netflix and many more. There is a good demand for a data scientist in a majority of companies. To be a data scientist, you should have a good knowledge of mathematics, statistics and programming languages like R, SQL and Python, which are used for data science projects. If you have these skills, then you will be easily get hired by the companies. The sixth skill which you can learn as a computer science student is full stack development. In the past year, the demand for the full stack developer is drastically increased, as most of the companies has publicly announced that they hire full stack developer only. Basically, full stack developer is the one who has a good understanding of front end as well as back end development. Full stack developer handles and integrates the front end as well as back end part of the software. With this, we are on the seventh most demanding skill, which is mobile application development. As the number of apps is increasing day by day in the App Store and Play Store, the demand for a good mobile application developer is also increasing. If you have a good or innovative idea and decent knowledge of mobile application development, then you can start your own startup as well. To become a mobile application developer, you should firstly choose the platform for which you want to create the application. The top platform available nowadays are Android and iOS. By the majority of developers, Kotlin is used for Android application development. For iOS application development, the programming language which is required is Swift. Here you can use Xcode to build your iOS application. If you are looking forward to build an application for Android and iOS with the same code base, then you can go with technologies like Flutter or React Native. There is a lot of scope of Android development in the future and you should definitely give it a try as well. Now we are on the 8th highest paying computer science job in our list, which is network engineer. Network engineer is the one who is responsible for handling all the networking or computer network related operations within the organization or company. Network engineer also handles all the technical problems in the network. To become a certified network engineer, you should have a good knowledge of computer architecture and networking. You can take a certification course of Cisco, as Cisco is a company known for networking equipment manufacturers and have a great name in the field of networking as well. Now the last but not the least technology which is in our list of most demanding computer science job is web development. Every business needs a website to grow, so there is an evergreen need for good web developers in a company. So here is a learning path you can follow to become a web developer. The first step towards your web development journey is to start with HTML. HTML is responsible for giving the structure to your web page. After you have the knowledge of HTML, you can go with CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It is for designing or styling your HTML web page. It makes your website much attractive as well. To create a dynamic website, you need to take the help of JavaScript. JavaScript is the programming language that will add automation to your static website. By learning these three languages, which are HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you will become a front-end web developer. There are many other technologies like React or Angular which are used to create attractive GUI for web applications. However, if you want to learn back-end web development, you should learn the programming languages like PHP and MongoDB. You can also use platforms like WordPress, which is very popular nowadays, as 60% of the total website on the internet are built on WordPress only. With this, we are finally in the last skill in our list of highest paying computer science job, which is of game development. Nowadays, everyone is fond of playing video games. Young as well as old people both have an equal craze for gaming. With this increase in the trend for gaming, the demand for game developers also increased. So if you are interested in gaming and want to make your career in game development, then here is a learning path for you to become a game developer. To become a game developer, you should have the ability to think creatively, as there is a need for good storyline and strong characters to build a successful game. Programming languages like C++, C#, and Java are used for developing games. After you have a decent knowledge of programming, you can start game development with game engines. There are many good game engines available on market which you can choose according to your requirement. So these were some of the most highest paying computer science jobs which you should learn in order to grab lucrative job opportunities. We have selected some of the best courses for you in order to learn these skills. The link of the courses is in the description below. So hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing and press the bell icon if you want to get notified whenever I upload the video in this channel. Till then, stay healthy and keep learning.